Meaning of gut-wrenching.
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 Gut-wrenching. Gut-wrenching is an adjective used to describe a feeling of extreme discomfort, anxiety, or emotion that affects one's stomach or gut. It is often used to express deep emotional distress or severe physical pain that causes one's stomach muscles to contract involuntarily. The term can also be used to describe an event or experience that induces a strong sense of revulsion or disgust. Overall, the term highlights the physical nature of emotion and the way it can manifest in our bodies, causing strong and sometimes overwhelming sensations.